Hey everyone, today we bring you an in-depth look at the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air, a stunning revival of an iconic classic that seamlessly blends retro charm with modern innovation. Let's explore this masterpiece from every angle. The front view of the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air captures the perfect balance of nostalgia and contemporary design. Its bold chrome-accented grille, inspired by the original Bel Air, is flanked by sharp LED headlights that incorporate a unique daytime running light signature. The sculpted hood features elegant lines that hint at the car's powerful performance. Air intakes on the lower bumper not only add a sporty edge but also improve aerodynamics and cooling efficiency. This front design is a tribute to the Bel Air's timeless legacy while embracing cutting-edge technology. Backside, the rear of the Chevrolet Bel Air is a stunning display of modern elegance with a nod to its classic roots. The slim LED taillights stretch horizontally, echoing the design of the original model while incorporating a futuristic glow. The rear bumper features subtle chrome accents, enhancing the premium feel, while the integrated dual exhaust tips underline its performance-driven nature. A sleek rear spoiler seamlessly blends into the design, improving stability at higher speeds. The back view exudes sophistication, ensuring the Bel Air remains a head-turner from every angle. The interior view is where luxury meets advanced technology. The cabin of the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air is designed to provide an unmatched driving experience. Premium leather upholstery with contrasting stitching covers the seats, while polished chrome and wood-grain accents pay homage to the car's heritage. A massive touchscreen infotainment system dominates the center console, offering seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and climate controls. The fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable driving information, while ambient lighting adds an extra layer of elegance. Spacious and thoughtfully designed, the interior ensures both driver and passengers travel in comfort and style. From the right view, the Chevrolet Bel Air's profile showcases its timeless design cues reimagined for the modern era. The elongated body, highlighted by smooth curves and a flowing beltline, exudes elegance. Large alloy wheels with a retro-inspired design enhance its visual appeal, while the chrome side mirrors and door handles add a touch of class. The gently sloping roofline transitions seamlessly into the trunk, giving the car a dynamic yet graceful silhouette. The left view mirrors the same meticulous attention to detail, emphasizing the car's symmetry and craftsmanship. The body lines flow effortlessly, creating a sense of motion even when the car is stationary. The proportions are perfectly balanced, with the long hood and shorter rear deck paying homage to the classic Bel Air design. Flush-mounted door handles and sleek windows enhance the car's aerodynamic efficiency, while the overall design exudes sophistication and confidence. The 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air is more than a car. It's a modern masterpiece that respects its heritage while embracing the future. From its bold front grille to its luxurious interior, every element has been thoughtfully designed to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. Whether you're a fan of classic cars or modern innovations, the Bel Air is a perfect fusion of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on New Car Latest Update. Stay tuned for more exclusive reviews and insights into the latest automotive marvels.